Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Docs to PandaDoc. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to your Google Docs account and open up a document. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top and click on Extensions. Okay, in these tabs, click on it. Now click on Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Okay, wait for this pop-up to load. Now, once it loads, go to the top and click on the search bar. Now go ahead and type in PandaDoc. All right, hit on enter, wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, we have PandaDoc for Google Docs. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and go to the top and click on the install button. Okay, it says here, send, track, and e-sign your Google Docs with PandaDoc. Features include legally binding e-signatures as well as recipient and document analytics. And if you want to, you can go ahead and read through this. If not, just go ahead and hit on install. Wait for it. Now go ahead and sign in with your PandaDoc account. Continue. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and give the necessary permission. Wait for it. And just hit on the done button. That's basically it. You can now go ahead and close this one. And once done, go ahead and go to extensions, PandaDoc for Google Docs, sign in. It says here working, just wait for it. And here you have your PandaDoc tab. Okay, just click on connect to PandaDoc, authorize, close the window as it says, just wait for it. Now you can now go ahead and create your signature, like so, hit on apply, click on next, add other people to sign in, or I just want to sign it on my own. Now you can go ahead and forward the signed copy or just download it for yourself. Okay, for example, I'm going to download it just for you to see. As you can see, we are being headed to the PandaDoc website. Just wait for it, and there you have it. And if you ever send it to someone, the email will look like this. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.